Go.
Hey, it's me, John Peanut, on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to weld. So, first you get two pieces of metal right here and right there, and then you get your welder. Get your welder, and then you have to turn your thing on. My dad's going to do that, and then I'm going to show you how to weld. I got one done, and everyone knows not to touch it, so don't touch it. I'll do the other side now. Okay. So that's good. That was good. Now